Alexis McAllister. Alarm bells ringing loud and clear. Mark Milligan and a certain Luke Wiltshire. And Mitch Duke will nip in. Could be a chance here for Australia. Just down a little to Di Maria. He's in position for the return. Messi. Side netting this time. Wow, what a play. To Messi. Ring around the Workers' Stadium.